Yeah, real me, motherfucker. Yeah, look, I said I could've been made it, but I procrastinated. Now a nigga made it, all these hoes fascinated. Who knew that I would make it for my nephew graduated? For these fuck niggas hating, now y'all get decapitated, cut off on my own shit, grown shit, always been alone shit. Have my niggas locked down, they can't even come home yet, it's hard out. Niggas turning fake, a couple frauds out. Gotta kill a flow, feeling like I spit a morgue out. I'm going in by show of hands, tell me who the best is. Got a 9 clipper on my dresser, act reckless, nigga. This nigga always been a broke nigga, started low, now I'm up here at that top flow, nigga. Never sold up, I sold hope, now what that preacher callin'. I'm walking through these streets, I feel like hear that reaper calling. If I fall, I bounce back like a nigga wasn't spalding. This rap shit, I'm on it like a fucking alcoholic, nigga. Out of my mind, was young, still at my prime. Feds told me drop a dime, but snitching wasn't on my mind. Where I came from, your hood probably never seen the same stuff. I said I never changed, I'm just trying to get my change up. Bullshit y'all pitching, man, I wish I throw a change up. If you ain't in your lane, your mind will change when that thing bust. Niggas retarded, look just how I started. Them niggas nearly departed from me when I started ballin'. Yeah, fuck that shit you talking. I said niggas nearly departed when we started ballin'. Yeah.